Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Roblox unexpected error caused by a memory dump issue.
Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Close Roblox completely. Step 2. Restart your computer. Step 3. Launch Roblox again. Fix 2. Run Roblox as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the Roblox app. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Fix 3. Close background app. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. End unused apps. Chrome, Discord, overlays. Step 3. Relaunch Roblox. Fix 4. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand display adapters. Step 3. Right-click your GPU update driver. Fix 5. Clear Roblox cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type %localhost at %. Step 2. Open Roblox folder. Step 3. Delete the cache folder. Step 4. Restart Roblox.